Chapter 4. Normal operating procedures. Takeoff procedure. Once cleared for takeoff by the ATC, release brakes, open throttle slowly to full power. Check engine RPM 5300 to 5500. Engine parameters within limits. As aircraft starts moving forward, maintain direction with rudder pedals. Check ACI registering. As aircraft accelerates, slowly bring control stick to 1/3 back and lift nose wheel off the ground. Maintain direction with rudders. Speed approaching 40 to 43 knots, gently pull back on stick to get airborne. Questions. Question number 1. What should be done first after being cleared for takeoff by the ATC? A. Check engine RPM 5300 to 5500. B. Release brakes and open throttle slowly to full power. C. Maintain direction with rudder pedals. D. Check ACI registering. Question number 2. What should the engine RPM be during takeoff? A. 5000 to 5200 RPM. B. 5300 to 5500 RPM. C. 5500 to 5700 RPM. D. 5700 to 5900 RPM. Question number 3. How should the direction be maintained as the aircraft starts moving forward? A. Using the throttle. B. Using the brakes. C. Using the rudder pedals. D. Using the ailerons. Question number 4. What should be checked as the aircraft accelerates? A. Engine temperature. B. Fuel quantity. C. ACI registering. D. Altimeter setting. Question number 5. At what speed should the control stick be brought to 1/3 back to lift the nose wheel off the ground? A. 30 to 33 knots. B. 35 to 38 knots. C. 40 to 43 knots. D. 45 to 48 knots. Question number 6. What should be done as the speed approaches 40-43 knots? A. Gently pull back on the stick to get airborne. B. Increase throttle to maximum RPM. C. Apply brakes to slow down. D. Check engine parameters. Post your answers in the comments. Thank you.